The iPhone 15 series has now been subjected to battery endurance tests with some less than ideal results indicating poor efficiency numbers on the chipset end. The iPhone 15 Pro Max and iPhone 15 Pro somehow managed to deliver worse battery performance than their predecessors, despite having slightly bigger batteries. So hey everyone, I am Ayush, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. Following the end of the review embargo for Apple's new iPhone 15 series yesterday, the phones are now being put through a myriad of tests by reviewers. CPU and GPU tests are already circulating online, and a battery endurance test has already been performed, sadly showing the iPhone 15 series in less than stellar light. As tested by GeekerOne, the iPhone 15 Pro Max appears to deliver worse battery performance than last year's iPhone 14 Pro Max. The new flagship managed a time of 7 hours, 13 minutes compared to the iPhone 14 Pro Max runtime of 7 hours, 55 minutes. It's a similar relationship between the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro as well. The iPhone 15 Pro delivers a runtime of 6 hours exactly, while its predecessor went on for an extra 46 minutes. It's important to note that the iPhone 15 Pro sports a marginally bigger battery than the iPhone 14 Pro as well, but still manages to perform worse on the test. All of these tie in with tests showing Apple's new A17 Pro chipset with worse efficiency numbers than the A16 Bionic. In fact, the iPhone 15 Plus, likely thanks to its A16 Bionic, performs best on the test, with a battery runtime of 9 hours and 17 minutes. That's over 2 hours longer than the iPhone 15 Pro Max managed, which has a 39 mAh bigger battery. What are the possible reasons why the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max have worse battery performance than their predecessors, despite having slightly bigger batteries? You let us know your thoughts about it in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one. Peace out.